Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the highly demanded restock collection of fancy soft silk sarees. This collection is coming as borderless type and also with border type. The material used is very soft, light in weight and comfortable to wear, and this collection you can carefully hand wash at home only. And about the design, beautiful and unique buttas are running throughout the body along with a rich running or contrast pallu and a plain blouse. Silver, copper and golden sarees have been used for weaving, and this unique and colorful collection you are getting in an offer price of 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be very less, from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. Both pastel and dark shades with beautiful color combinations are available in these collections. The stocks are limited, so grab your order soon. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. Share your query and wait for the reply. We will reply maximum within 12 hours. And also, if you guys wanted a quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for silk sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want.